Why are blown leads misunderstood in tennis sets? Have you ever watched a tennis match and wondered how a player can lose after being ahead? This situation is often referred to as a blown lead. Let's break down why these moments are often misunderstood. In tennis, a blown lead occurs when a player who is winning loses that advantage and ultimately the set. This can happen for several reasons that go beyond just a simple failure to maintain a lead. First, the scoring system in tennis is unique. A player can be ahead by several games, but a few lost points can quickly change the momentum. For instance, if a player breaks their opponent's serve early in a set, it is a significant achievement. However, converting that break into a set win is not guaranteed. Some players are better at turning early breaks into victories, while others struggle. This shows that having an early lead is just one part of a larger picture. Next, we have pressure points. These are critical moments in a match where the score is tight. Winning these points can be more important than the total points won throughout the set. A player can be behind in total points but still win the set by performing well during these pressure moments. This means that a blown lead may indicate a shift in performance during these key situations rather than a simple collapse. Psychological factors also play a role. When a player is leading, they might become more cautious or take risks to finish the set. This can lead to mistakes. On the other hand, the player who is trailing often becomes more focused and aggressive, which can improve their chances of making a comeback. This dynamic can be misunderstood as a failure by the leading player, when it is really just part of the natural flow of competition. From a statistical viewpoint, tennis outcomes are sensitive to consistency and error rates. Small differences in shot accuracy or points won can lead to significant changes in the result of a set. Since tennis sets consist of a limited number of points, randomness and shifts in momentum can cause leads to vanish quickly. Understanding blown leads can have practical benefits. Coaches and players can focus on mental toughness during pressure points, as these moments can greatly influence outcomes. Analyzing set statistics can help identify patterns, such as how often early breaks lead to set wins. Lastly, accepting that blown leads are part of the game can help players manage their expectations and stay calm during matches. Recognizing the unique scoring system, the importance of pressure points, and the psychological shifts involved can provide a clearer view of why leads are lost in tennis sets.